Hi, my name is Professor Matthew. Welcome to this journey through Foundations of Modern Commerce and Digital Business. Today, we are going to study the chapter named E-commerce Business Models. We'll explore different ways businesses sell online, like B2B, B2C, C2C, and D2C. You'll also learn about marketplaces, dropshipping, unit economics, logistics, legal rules like GST, and various job roles in this growing field. Core e-commerce business models. E-commerce models are how businesses connect with buyers online. Each model changes based on who sells to whom and how. They impact customer relationships, delivery processes, and revenue generation. Let's now understand each model in detail: B2B, B2C, C2C, and D2C. Each has its own examples and operations. B2B, business to business. B2B stands for business to business, where one business sells to another. Orders are usually bulk, and sales cycles are longer because of contracts and approvals. Examples include IndiaMart and Alibaba, where wholesalers sell to retailers. These deals are relationship-based and require more negotiation. They are not customer-facing, but form the backbone of many supply chains. B2C, business to consumer. B2C is the most familiar model, like shopping from Amazon or Myntra. Here, businesses sell directly to people like us. Sales are quick, focused on user experience, branding, and convenience. Prices and delivery are customized for individual buyers. It's volume-driven and relies on good marketing. C2C, consumer to consumer. In C2C, one customer sells to another using a platform as a middleman. OLX, Meesho, and Facebook Marketplace are examples. Here, the platform provides trust tools like ratings, payment safety, and dispute handling. Items are usually second-hand or homemade. Quality can vary, so community trust is important. D2C, direct to consumer. D2C means brands sell directly to customers, cutting out middlemen. Brands like Boat, Mamaearth, and Sugar Cosmetics use this model. They control the full customer experience, from making to delivery. Margins are better because they keep all the profit. This model also helps brands own their customer data and build loyalty. Comparing models. Let's compare these models. B2B has the largest order values and complex relationships. B2C is fast and customer-friendly, driven by brand and service. C2C depends heavily on the platform's trust features. D2C gives better control and margins, but requires strong digital marketing. Each model has pros and cons. Choose based on your business goals. Marketplaces versus inventory models. There are two major selling approaches. Marketplace model. The platform connects buyers and sellers, but doesn't own products, like Flipkart. Inventory model. The company buys and stocks goods, then sells, like BigBasket. Marketplace is low cost, fast to scale, but has less control. Inventory model gives full control, but needs more capital and storage. Amazon uses both models, depending on the product. Fulfillment strategies. There are three main fulfillment strategies. Self-fulfillment, you handle everything, inventory, shipping. High control, high effort. Drop shipping, you take orders, but the supplier ships. Low cost, low control. Print-on-demand products are made after the order, perfect for custom items. Choose based on your budget, expertise, and product type. Each strategy affects profit margins and customer satisfaction. Drop shipping and print-on-demand. Drop shipping is easy to start and low risk, but has thin margins and delivery issues. Retailers act as middlemen and don't stock inventory. Print-on-demand is great for artists or designers. Products are only made when ordered. It's low risk and flexible, but slower and costlier per unit. Both are perfect for startups or solo entrepreneurs. Global e-commerce models. 3 great examples are AliExpress connects Chinese sellers globally, both B2B and B2C. Etsy is a C2C platform for handmade or vintage items. Amazon combines marketplace and inventory models globally. Each shows how platforms can support different business types across the world. Unit economics basics. 3 key numbers matter in e-commerce. Contribution margin, profit after removing product and delivery costs. CAC, customer acquisition cost, how much you spend to get a customer. CLV, customer lifetime value, how much a customer will spend over time. Your CLV should be at least 3 times CAC for a healthy business. These numbers help decide pricing, marketing budget, and profitability. Unit economics example. Let's break down a 1,500 Indian rupees order. Product cost 600 Indian rupees shipping, 150 Indian rupees payment processing, 45 Indian rupees returns, 75 Indian rupees marketing, 225 Indian rupees, so the profit is 405 Indian rupees per order. This shows why controlling costs and returns is important for sustainable growth. Logistics and last-mile delivery. There are 4 parts. Order processing confirms order and allocates inventory. Warehousing, where goods are stored, packed, and shipped. Transportation moves items to the city or region. Last mile, final delivery to customer's doorstep. Delivery is one of the most critical and expensive parts of e-commerce. Returns and reverse logistics. Returns in e-commerce are 20 to 30%, which is very high. Process includes return request, pickup, inspection, refund, or replacement. Returns increase cost and affect customer trust. Sometimes returned goods are recycled or resold. Legal aspects. In e-commerce, laws protect both buyers and sellers. Consumer Protection Act 2019 ensures fair practices. Data privacy is covered under the IT Act and upcoming Data Protection Bill. GST rules apply based on business size and state. Sellers must avoid false ads and fake reviews. GST in online selling. If your turnover is over 40 Indian rupees lakhs, GST is mandatory. Even smaller sellers must register if selling across states. Marketplaces like Amazon often collect GST on your behalf. Different items have different GST rates. Books 0%, electronics up to 28%. Proper invoicing, returns, and monthly filings like GSTR 8 are essential. Career opportunities in e-commerce. There are jobs across 5 main areas: marketing like SEO, content creation, email campaigns. Data and analytics. Analysts track user behavior and campaign success. Operations, managing inventory, logistics, and vendors. Technology developers, designers, and system architects. Merchandising, product selection, pricing, and visual display. Key takeaways. Choose the right model: B2B, B2C, C2C, or D2C, based on your target customer. Fulfillment and logistics play a big role in customer satisfaction. Understand unit economics to balance costs and profits. Stay legally compliant with tax, data, and consumer laws. The e-commerce world offers great opportunities, but you must combine business sense with technical knowledge to succeed.